Hello everyone, this is my oral presentation for English Level 2. First of all, I'm going to introduce myself. After that, I will talk about my trip to Bogota. Then I will tell you about the weather in Bogota. And finally, I will give you some recommendations if you go to Bogota. Let's start. This is me. I am Stick Herrera. I was born in Bogota, but I live in Barranquilla for my work. I am 24 years old. I am policeman and work in the SMAT group. I have a girlfriend and live with her. This is my family, my mother and my brother. I like to travel, I go to the gym, I like dance, and like to watch movies and series. Continuing, I will tell you about my travel experience in Bogota. Alright. Travel to Bogota. The last vacation, I went to the city of Bogota and stayed there for 2 weeks, and I went with my girlfriend. I like it because it is my hometown and in the city my family lives. One tense vacation, I visited Monserrate. I went to the Mundoventura Park. I drank some beers in the sun tea and liked it a lot. We returned to Barranquilla at the end of January because I started working in February. The weather in Bogota. The climate in Bogota is cold, but sometimes the weather changes a lot. In the morning it's very cold, the midday is sunny, and the night it rains a lot and it's very windy, but the weather in Bogota changes according to the month of the year. You must take into account two wild tips. Number 1. It's recommended that you always carry an umbrella. Number 2. It's recommended that you apply sunscreen. Number 3. It's important that you wear warm clothes for cold morning. Number 4. It's good idea to take vitamin C so that you don't get sick. Number 5. It's important that you have a map of the city. Number 6. It's important that you take care of your personal items. Number 7. It's recommended that you don't walk alone at the night to the strip of the city. And number 8. It's good idea to have a Transmilenio card. What you should do in Bogota. If you are going to travel to Bogota, you must go to know Monserrate. You must go to the Mundoventura Park. You must go to the Plaza de Bolivar, and you can go for the walk in the center of the city, but you must be very careful with your object personals. If you travel to Bogota, you can eat ajiaco and you can go for some beers in the tea zone. What you shouldn't do. If you are going to travel to Bogota, you can't no go to the center of the city at the night and alone. You can go to the Mundoventura Park if you have hair disease. You should don't go to Monserrate without wear clothes. If you travel to Bogota, you should not go out with very expensive objects on the street because the city is very dangerous. Is it that? Goodbye.